A single image of 3 IATAs is taking the internet by storm, an alleged photograph showing the first true close-up of an interstellar comet. The claim? That it was released by Japan's space agency, JAXA, and that this glowing object streaking through space isn't just any comet. It's 3 IATAs, our latest visitor from another star. No one expected this, no press conference, no official publication, just a drop, quiet, sudden, and mysterious on social media. A high-resolution image attached to a post that reads, generated from spectral data by JAXA, true visual structure of interstellar object 3 IATAs. The internet exploded. Is it real or a sophisticated digital fake? Is this truly the first time humanity has laid eyes on the raw, rendered face of a comet from another solar system? Let's break down what we know, what the image shows, and why this moment, real or not, has reignited global curiosity in the interstellar unknown. The image first surfaced on X, formerly Twitter. It was posted without context, just a quiet caption stating that it came from JAXA's Deep Space Spectrometry Lab, generated via advanced rendering based on incoming telemetry from October 2025. The post didn't stay quiet for long. Within hours, the image was everywhere, reposted across Reddit, astrophysics forums, Discord channels, even mainstream news sites. People began asking, did Japan really just release the first detailed rendering of an interstellar comet? And why wasn't it announced officially? JAXA hasn't confirmed it, neither has NASA, but the silence has only deepened the intrigue. Some call the image too perfect, too symmetrical, too dramatic. Others argue it's entirely plausible, based on known imaging methods. But the truth is, no one knows for sure, and in the vacuum of certainty, speculation thrives. The image is striking. It reveals a bright nucleus, glowing with a bluish-white hue, surrounded by a complex halo of gas and dust. Multiple tail-like structures spiral outward in fractal patterns. A faint band of material appears to wrap around the nucleus, almost like a magnetic field caught in mid-burst. According to the post, the image wasn't a simple photo. It was said to be reconstructed using multispectral imaging data paired with light curve analysis and radiative transfer algorithms. The process, if legitimate, would turn invisible data, infrared, ultraviolet, polarized light, into a visual composition humans can actually see. In other words, it would be a data-driven model, not a snapshot, but still possibly the most accurate representation of an interstellar comet ever created. If true, it would make history. If fake, it's one of the most compelling space hoaxes in years. Within hours of the image going viral, astrophysicists began weighing in. Some admitted that while the rendering was visually impressive, it lacked citation. No link to a JAXA database, no scientific paper, just a single post. Others noted that this kind of rendering is not impossible. In fact, it's quite common in modern astronomy. Telescopes don't capture full-color HD images, they capture raw photometric data. Scientists use that data to generate accurate visuals. That's how we get images of exoplanets, black hole disks, and deep sky nebula. Still, several experts warned caution. In an age of generative AI, fake scientific images are becoming easier to produce and harder to detect. Without peer-review confirmation, even a scientifically plausible image must be treated as speculative. As one researcher put it, this may not be a real JAXA release, but it's inspired by real science, and that's what people are responding to. Whether or not the image is authentic, its impact is very real. It's drawn millions of people back into the conversation about interstellar objects, how rare they are, and how mysterious they remain. It reminds us that 3 IATAs isn't just a curiosity, it's a messenger from another world, carrying with it the chemistry, history, and secrets of a solar system we've never seen. For scientists, it underscores the importance of developing rapid imaging capabilities, tools that can render what we can't physically reach. For the public, it's a wake-up call. The universe is not only vast but full of wonders we haven't even begun to understand. The next step, more eyes on the sky. Telescopes are already preparing to catch post-perihelion images of 3 IATAs. Space agencies are discussing how to prepare for the next interstellar object. And platforms like the Vera Rubin Observatory are set to scan wider swaths of the cosmos than ever before. So, is the image real? We can't say for sure. It hasn't been verified. JAXA hasn't released a statement. NASA remains silent. And until someone steps forward, the question will linger. But the bigger story is this. The image, real or not, has rekindled something we often forget. The desire to wonder, the willingness to imagine, the need to ask, what if? If this really is the face of 3I Atlas, it's a glimpse into a world not our own. If it's an artist's rendering or a deepfake, it still reflects something deeper, our craving to visualize the unknown. And that, at its core, is what drives science forward. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep looking up. The stars still have stories to tell, and some of them, like 3I Atlas, may only visit once. Could this be the first true image of an interstellar comet, or are we staring at a beautiful illusion? Let me know down in the comments below, and also subscribe to the channel for more interesting, informative space videos in the future.